नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Are you all happy? Okay, my dear kids. Have you all got your marks, those who submitted the paper? Okay, are you all happy with your marks? Okay, my dear kids. Today we are going to revising the notes. Okay, lesson 4. Let's go for that. See that part 4. I have sent the notes, right? So you have to write the date on that, like 17/11/2020. I sent on Tuesday, so you have to write that day's date and day. Mangalwar, right there. Okay. Okay. Listen to the notes. First Roman letter Artha. Kahani story. Kahani story. Beta son. Beta son. Nani grandmother. Nani grandmother. Cheti servant. Cheti servant. Tat father. Tat father. Kahani story. Beta son. Nani grandmother. Cheti servant. Tat father. Learn with me now itself. You learn, my dear kids. Sixth one. Surabhi fragrance. Surabhi fragrance. Hati stubborn. Hati stubborn. Khag bird. Khag bird. Ahat injured. Ahat injured. Aketak hunter. Aketak hunter. Once more. Surabhi fragrance. Hati stubborn. Khag bird. Khag bird. Ahat injured. Aketak hunter. Okay. Learn now itself. Second Roman letter Hindi Arth. Cheti dasi. Cheti dasi. Cheti dasi. Hati jiddi. Hati means stubborn. Cheti means servant. We learned. Hati also we learned. Stubborn. Jiddi. Tat father. Pida. Tat father. Cheti dasi. Hati jiddi. Tat pida. Then khag pakshi. Khag means bird. Khag pakshi. Ahat khayal. Ahat injured we learned. Khayal. Ahat khayal. Aketak shikari. Aketak shikari. Aketak shikari. Cheti dasi. Hati jiddi. Tat pida. Khag pakshi. Ahat khayal. Aketak shikari. Okay, this lesson no question answer. Okay, my dear kids. Are you happy? Okay. See Vyakaran. Vyakaran means grammar. We learned now Sarvanam. सर्वनाम. व्हाट इज़ दैट सर्वनाम? वह शब्द जो संज्ञा के बदले में आए उसे सर्वनाम कहते हैं. वह शब्द जो संज्ञा के बदले में आए उसे सर्वनाम कहते हैं. what is that word which is coming instead of sarvana संज्ञा? we will tell us सर्वनाम. ओके. वह शब्द जो संज्ञा के बदले में आए उसे सर्वनाम कहते हैं. जैसे. जैसे मीन्स लाइक. मैं, तुम, हम, वह, उसका आदि. These are the not this much, more are there, or only this much here it is. We can't write everything here. Okay. Okay. Then sarvanam ke fed. Types of sarvanam. Listen here. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. मैं, मुझे, मेरी, तू, तुम, वे, उनका, उन्हें. These are the Purushavasak Sarvanam. Purushavasak Sarvanam means I, we, you. That and all will come in Purushavasak Sarvanam. I for us, for yours, for us, like that. We will tell now that is Purushavasak Sarvanam. Nijavajak Sarvanam. Nijavajak Sarvanam means ourselves only, we will say. About ourselves only. That is apne aap, swayam, khud. Everything is ours means ours only. Nijavajak Sarvanam. Then third one, Nishchayvajak Sarvanam. Nishchayvajak means confirmation. It is there. That confirmation is there. So that is Nishchayvajak Sarvanam. यह एक किताब है. That is there. So that is Nishchayvajak Sarvanam. यह, वह, ये, वे. That is Nishchayvajak Sarvanam. Then Fourth one, Anishayavachak Sarvanam. Anishay we can't imagine how it is. No confirmation is there. That is Anishayavachak Sarvanam. Koi, kisi, kuch. Anyone, anything, few. That and all only Anishayavachak Sarvanam. Once more, Purushavachak Sarvanam. मैं, मुझे, मेरी, तू, तुम, वे, उनका, उन्हें. निजवाचक सर्वनाम अपने आप, स्वयं, खुद. निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम यह, वह, ये, वे. अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम कोई, किसी, कुछ. Then fifth one, प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम में क्वेश्चन. किसका, क्या, कैसे, this and all will come in प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. The next one, संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. Comparing pronoun. Okay, these are the संबंधवाचक that will come two words like जिसका. It will start with जिसका and it will the second sentence will start with उसका. जिसका, those like जिसका, उसका, जिन, उन, जो, से, जैसा, वैसा will come like संबंधवाचक. We are comparing two sentences. That is only संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. Okay, संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. Next we will take the activity book. Okay, my dear kids, activity book. On the up of it you should write today's date 2011-2020 Shukravar. Write that one on top of it, page number 11. This one we learned in the previous lesson, so you can copy it. कारक किसे कहते हैं, उदाहरण देकर समझाएं. We learned that which is कारक, what is कारक, and with example. संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के जिस रूप से उसका संबंध वाक्य के अन्य शब्दों के साथ जाना चाहे उसे कारक कहते हैं. या एनी नाउन और प्रोनाउंस रिलेशन विथ अदर वर्ड्स other sentence related with the other words, that is कारक. तुमने कविताएं पढ़ी, हिंदी की पुस्तक में दिया गया है. This and all, that underlined words and all कारक. Then second question, कर्म कारक और संप्रदान कारक में सोदाहरण अंदर समझाइए. Difference between कर्म कारक and संप्रदान कारक should explain with example. कर्म कारक जिस व्यक्ति या वस्तु पर वाक्य की क्रिया का फल पड़ता है उसे कर्म कारक कहता है. Those who are the subject, those work it is doing, into whom it is highlighting, that is कर्म कारक. कविताओं को पुस्तक में दिया है, कविताओं को पुस्तक में दिया है. देन संप्रदान कारक, कर्ता जिस वस्तु या व्यक्ति के लिए कार्य करता है. फॉर दो whom it is doing, that is संप्रदान कारक. चीनू ने चीकू के लिए पुस्तक खरीदी. चीनू हैज ब्रॉट बुक फॉर whom, फॉर चीकू. that is only संप्रदान कारक. Copy that, my dear kids. Then page number 17. Take page number 17. There also about कारक only you should write. निम्न वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त, there also you write today's date. Okay my dear kids. प्रयुक्त कारकों को रेखांकित करें और उनके सही फेद का नाम लिखें. सही फेद you have to write, underline also it is written. Okay my dear, now only I noticed. Okay, चित्रकार ब्रश से रंग भरता है. चित्रकार, this one I will send in the PDF. Okay, don't want to worry. Brush, say underline, say there. Okay, only say, don't want here, it can't see. So चित्रकार ब्रश से रंग भरता है. There say it will be underlined, that is कारण कारक. से चित्रकार ब्रश से रंग भरता है. चित्रकार आर्टिस्ट इज ड्राइंग विथ ब्रश, with the help of brush, so it is कारण कारक. सूरज पूरब से निकलता है. सूरज is rising from the where? Suraj, sun rises in the east, right? Sun is rising from the east. Sun is rising from the east. That is only abadan, from where? Abadan कारक. So सूरज पूरब से निकलता है, आबादान कारक. देन डाल पर चिड़िया बैठी है. डाल पर, डाल on the branch, body sitting on the branch, so it is अधिकरण कारक. on and all will come in adhikaran karak. So dal par chidiya baiti hai. Dal, the bird is sitting on the branch. Dal means branch. मेरे घर के सामने पार्क है. Near to my house one park is there. संबंध कारक के सामने के काकेगी if it is coming means संबंध कारक. So मेरे घर के सामने पार्क है. Near to my home one park is there. सोहन ने पत्र लिखा. Who has written the letter? सोहन has written one letter. Who written the letter? सोहन. So कर्ता कारक. Okay, ने will come means कर्ता कारक. Then खाली स्थान में सही कारक लिखे. गंगा हिमालय डैश निकलती है. गंगा is a river. हिमालय is a mountain. निकलती है flowing. From where it is flowing? हिमालय से. गंगा is flowing from the Himalaya. Then अरे सुनो. सुनो only here like that it is rare. So सुनो. पापा ट्रेन से दिल्ली गए. अरे सुनो. सुनो means here. So we have to hear. Here we what we will tell. Simply here we yes here like that we will tell. So अरे सुनो. Then पापा ट्रेन से दिल्ली गए. पापा went by train. By what? With what? By train only. Papa went to Delhi. Papa went to Delhi by train. So say Papa train से दिल्ली गए. Then मम्मी रीमा डैश गुड़िया लाई. मम्मी रीमा गुड़िया लाई means brought doll. गुड़िया means doll. मम्मी रीमा के लिए for मम्मी रीमा के लिए गुड़िया लाई. मम्मी has brought doll for रीमा. यह राहुल का घर है. This is Rahul's घर. This is the house of Rahul. Of that is का. Okay. So के लिए means for. Say from. Train say with. This say means by or with. गंगा हिमालय से निकलती है means from Himalaya it is flowing. So अरे means yay like that. Then you take page number 22. There also you see दिए गए प्रश्नों के सही विकल्प पर निशान लगे. Here it is given about सर्वनाम. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम का पहले फेद क्या है? What is the first type of पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम? What is that we learned? उत्तम पुरुष, मध्यम पुरुष, अन्य पुरुष, right? So first one उत्तम पुरुष. So tick that one, उत्तम पुरुष. Then व्यक्ति या वस्तु की निश्चितता का बोध कराने वाले शब्द क्या कहलाते हैं? व्यक्ति any name of person or thing. It is confirmation is there means it we will tell us which noun, which pronoun. निश्चयवाचक, right? निश्चयवाचक. Second one. Then व्यक्ति या वस्तु की अनिश्चितता का बोध कराने वाले शब्द. Not confirming means it is अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, right? So it is अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, right? So then कुछ शब्द किस सर्वनाम का उदाहरण है? कुछ. It's easy only. अनिश्चयवाचक, right? It we can't know how much is. कुछ means few. Then उदाहरण सहित निश्चयवाचक और अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम के अंदर स्पष्ट करें. निश्चय डिफरेंस बिटवीन निश्चयवाचक एंड सर्वनाम अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम should explain with the example. So व्यक्ति या वस्तु की निश्चितता का बोध कराने वाले सर्वनाम शब्द निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. It is confirming means that is निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. यह कहानियों की किताब है. This is the book of stories. This is the book of stories. Then व्यक्ति या वस्तु की अनिश्चितता का बोध कराने वाले सर्वनाम शब्द अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम. We don't have any confirmation about this means that is अनिश्चयवाचक. Like कोई मुझे मेरी किताब दे दो. Anyone please give my book. If it is missing means we will ask na. Please give my book. Anyone please give my book. Those who have taken please give my book. कोई मुझे मेरी किताब दे दो. Give my book back. Anyone please give my book back. Like that we will tell now. So that is only that one. So copy this. I will send the PDF. Okay my dear kids. If you have any doubt or anything you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.